Buenos dias and good morning. Welcome to the Diff family vlog. Oh, I said that kind of like I was gonna say more.
Buenos dias and good morning. Welcome to the Diff family vlog.
Hey, I like that. So we are on the road on highway something, Hana highway, the road to Hana, very famous. Apparently there's a lot, it's a long highway, 50 miles from the airport, and along the way there's beautiful scenery, waterfalls, hikes, and there's so much stuff to do. They say that you can do it over a few days, or if you do it in one day, what we're doing, you have to be selective about what you do. So we're not exactly 100% sure what we're gonna do, but we are gonna take you guys with us. We're gonna take that with us. We're gonna take her with us. We're taking some of that with us, and a whole lot of that.
Tacoma is, and okay, now I know, okay, I do charge money for pictures. I want you to understand that.
Okay.
I don't use your camera unless you want me to. I don't have a camera.
I
don't take your picture. You can turn that off there.
Yeah, I had the birds on me, I had the birds on my head, but when he told me that it would cost more than my dinner last night, I decided not to do it. So, this is like one of the first lookout points of the Hana highway where it was actually like ocean. Everything else had been all of this beautiful, not that, scenery. It was rainy, but man, now, look at that. This right here, this is what Tarzan used to do.
Let's see one swing. Just stand up on the thing and jump off and see if this will see if it holds you.
One swing?
I'll videotape you.
One, all right, one swing. If I'm disrespecting the trees, my apologies.
It held you. It held you.
Well, don't doubt it too much. I mean, man, strong tree, small guy, you know, and not like I got, you know, lots of. And that goes to show you, it's good to every once in a while take a wrong turn. They say it's really good banana bread. No, we're gonna eat some banana bread. You remember that scene in Lady and the Tramp where they were eating spaghetti and they came up on the same noodle? We're gonna try that right here. So just keep eating until we meet in the middle. Two things I start to realize. Two things. One of those things is that with all of the beauty that's around here, it's kind of hard to evaluate and say what is going to be actually shown in the vlog, because I mean there's just such a lot of cool stuff. Like And number two, when you park all the way up there to go down to something all the way down there, just remember you gotta walk all the way back. Lava tubes. No idea what that is. Sounds pretty cool. Want to see some lava? Not sure. But cue the waterfall montage on the road to Hana. All right, so we are now at a beautiful, beautiful lava tube. And there's not going to be any flowing lava, but you might urinate or what? Seriously, whose thought is it to urinate and poop in these caves? Like, seriously. So we're pretty far down. Maybe not super far down, but maybe like 40 feet underground. But this tunnel goes for like a half a mile of what we can walk, and then it goes down even more. What? You don't like this?
No, this is not my thing.
So apparently Kelly was getting a little concerned. We are probably about a good 150 feet under the ground, and she really wasn't feeling that.
You're gonna ask me about this? I decided that I don't like to be in big caves that go a half a mile under a mountain. Like,
No, straight, not half a mile down.
oh, half a mile straight into the mountain.
Actually, the hill kind of keeps going down with it.
I don't know. It's down deep and it goes really, really, really far.
Well, Hana, you did me right. It was a great time, but now time for Friday night in Lahaina. Apparently every second Friday of the month they close down the street. They do it until 9. It's 9, we just got here. So there's live music, people are around. It's like, feels like the Mardi Gras of Lahaina. Not really, but you know.
I think we're hitting the tail end of the video.
I'm done. Thank you guys. Thank you once again.
And the DJ is done. That was like literally like 2 minutes after I just said what I just said. So if you do come to Maui and you come to Lahaina, make sure you hit it before 9 o'clock because kitchen's closed. Still looking for a restaurant, but it's nice to be able to walk with her down here with that. I got no complaints. Open till midnight. Check.